What is up, y'all? This is a video from back in July or August of last year in which my boys and I went out to Poughkeepsie, New York, and we went go-karting. So, hope you enjoy. Bye.
Well, hello ladies and gents, boys and girls. This is Moto Noir, and today is something a little bit different. Today we're going to be racing go-karts. I got Lukas in front of me, and Adam, aka Dirty Billy, and well, we are definitely about to have some fun. Let's see how I do. Alright. This is so tiring. Reverse. That's not how you take that turn. I'm learning. So these are time trials. You're not actually racing, you're just trying to get the fastest time available. Ah, fuck. God. I can't get that turn. Whew. Too slow. Too slow. No. Damn. Oh, Adam's coming up behind me. Damn it. Man, you get freaking tired. Oh, there's someone else coming up behind me now. I don't know who that is. Gringo drift right there. I can't get that turned down for the life of me. That was a little better. Ah, that's good. That's it. Damn. My goodness, guys. This is so freaking tiring. My arms feel like freaking jelly. All right. I feel like I'm too big. I'm causing aerodynamic problems. We're gonna have to go for a round 3 and see how well I can do. Because right now, my goodness, I'm too slow. I got faster towards the end. I'm coming for you, Adam. All right, time for round 2. See how well I do this time. And there's Lukas. Say hi, Lukas. Feel like he's about to turn on the power, and there it goes. Serves him right. These guys are ruining the f***ing race. I tell you what, Jesus. people suck. Wow, you guys just suck. Pathetic. All these people. Dude, these guys were pissing me the fuck off. What you were saying?
So there you have it. Lucas, Adam, and I went out to Poughkeepsie, New York to go-karting at a mall, no less. We had a great time. It's freaking fun as hell. That last race, there were other people joining in on the race, and it ruined it for me. But shout out to Poughkeepsie, New York. We actually had a great time out there. It was a lot of fun. And we will be heading back sometime soon for a round 2 in these races. Stay tuned for that. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed it. I had a lot of fun making this one, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.